Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Isa and I'm going to show you how you can get started using a digital planner on your iPhone. Okay, so I'm going to start from the beginning. So I'm going to go to Safari, to the shop. I'm gonna go to PrintStick.Shop. I'm gonna leave the link to this below. And I'm going to look for the iPhone planner, so I click on planners. And you can just scroll. You also have a search bar up here, like this little magnifying glass. You can just type iPhone and then this should pop right out. And yeah, this is the iPhone planner. You have several color options. And yeah, so I'm going to purchase a planner right now just to show you the whole process. So here you have the dates that you can choose from. So you have undated with the tabs running from January to December. You have undated with the tabs running from July to June, or you have dated from July 2020 to June 2021, or you have for the full following year, which is January to December of 2021. So that's the version I'm gonna get for the following year. And then I like a Monday start, but you get a Sunday start option too, or a hybrid option, which means that the months will start on a Sunday and the weeks will start on a Monday. Select the option you prefer, and then of course you choose the color. And to see what a color will look like, you just select whatever option you want, and then you go up here, and as you can see, that's the one that's selected. So this is the purple color. Really, the background is purple, but the tabs are the same color as the original version. There is the pastel version where the tabs have a lighter color. So you have a total of 6 different colors to choose from. The version that I'm going to choose is the black one. So there's a black background, but it has the color tabs. And when you're happy with your selections, you can go ahead and click on buy it now, or you can also check out the bundling options, where if you add some stickers and a font, you get a big discount. You get 20% off. So if you want to check that out, you can select any sticker book. These sticker books are formatted for the bigger screen, so from like an iPad, but they will work perfectly fine with the iPhone, and I'll show you in a little bit how that looks. And the font works as well. So if you want to take advantage of this deal, just add, whichever font and whichever sticker book you want, and then click on add bundle. But if not, you can just get the planner on its own. So I'm gonna click on buy it now. Here I have all of my info saved. I have an account actually, and it says my name and my email address, so it keeps me logged in. If you want, you can create an account as well, so whenever you come back to check out, even if it's just to get a freebie, then you don't have to fill out all of your information all over again. When you're done filling out all of this information, you click on continue to shipping, which of course there's nothing shipped here. It's everything's digital. You get immediate access after your order is completed. But that's just part of this process. So it's gonna say free shipping, but there's no actual shipping. Nothing physical will be sent to you. Then continue to payment. Okay, so this is the slot where you enter a discount code if you have one. I'm actually gonna leave a coupon below if you wanna check it out. You can enter that here. And after you enter it, you click on this little arrow, and whichever discount or offer is applied will be reflected here before you continue on to making the payment. And just note that if you get any of the bundle options, then that's already like a discount, so you can no longer use a coupon, because if you enter a discount code in this section, then the bundle discount will be cancelled, just so you know. So 1 discount per order. Okay, then you complete your order. And now it says that my order is being processed, and in a couple of minutes your items are going to be ready to be downloaded. So if you buy just the planner, this is exactly how it works. However, if you purchase stickers and fonts, then you will receive those download links separately to your email address. So whichever email address you use to check out, that's where you will get download links for the extra items. Okay, so even if I had added stickers and fonts to this order, I wouldn't see them here. I would have to go check my inbox and find the links to download those. Now those emails sometimes end up in the spam folder, so if you cannot find them in your inbox, then just check your spam folder. And if ever you have trouble, just use this messaging tool and you'll get help as soon as possible. Alright, so this is my planner. As you can see, this is the file, iPhone planner, and then this is a PDF file, so that's my planner file. Okay, all digital planners come in PDF format. So you click on download now, download, and it's hard to see, but this little arrow is active, so that means that it's being downloaded, and actually it's done now. So if I tap here, I'm going to see my planner, And since this is a PDF file, you get to see a preview of the file. So you get to see the actual planner. You can even tap on the links and they will work. When you are downloading a font or a sticker book in GoodNotes format and such, you will not be able to see a preview. You will just see a dark screen that has the name of the file. That's perfectly fine. The next step is going to be the same, but this is a PDF and this app is capable of showing me a preview of the planner because it's a PDF. So I'm going to click on this export icon at the bottom left, and then I'm just going to scroll until I find the note-taking app that I'm using. As you can see, I can send it to Note Shelf, Zoom Notes, but in this case I'm going to open in GoodNotes. So tap there, you click on Open, Import as new document. If you already have a document open in GoodNotes that you were working on before doing this process, you might accidentally import this planner within that document, and if you do that, neither your document or the planner are going to work properly. So make sure you select Import as new document always. And there I have my planner in GoodNotes. Now, of course, all of my buttons, all of my links are going to be working, and to make sure that my links are active, you have to click on this icon. So if I tap on it, my toolbar opens, and then since I have my tools selected, I can no longer click on the links. They're not going to be active. So to activate them, you click on this icon on the top right, and then the links are going to be active. Okay guys, so that's it. This is how you can download and install a digital planner on your iPhone. Stay tuned for my following videos because I will start teaching you how you can use stickers, widgets, fonts, and other items, and how you can start getting your planner pages all set up in GoodNotes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on the bell to turn on the notifications so you know when the new video is out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.